Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a test in Blackboard Ultra using a tab-delimited text file created in Excel or any text editor. Here I have an Excel file open with an example of what the questions should look like. You have to format each question correctly. If you're using multiple choice, which is what most people do, in the A column, you'll put MC. In the B column, you'll put your question text. After that, in each column, you'll put an answer followed in the column after it by correct, or for your distractors, followed by incorrect. Then go to the next row and add more questions. If you're still using multiple choice, you'll continue to use MC. If you want to use other question types, you'll put their code in the A column. For example, if you want to have multiple answers marked correct, you'll use MA instead of MC for multiple answer. So MA would go in the A column, followed in the B column by the answer text, and then by answers, and in each column after the answer, you'll put correct or incorrect. So to repeat, it goes answer, and then correct or incorrect, and then answer in the next column, and then correct or incorrect, and then an answer in the next column, and then correct or incorrect. There are other question types you can use. For example, you can use true-false questions, TF in the A column, essay questions, ESS in the A column, or matching questions, MAT in the A column. If you want more details on how to format your questions, see the description for a link. Once you have all your questions ready to go, you want to save this as a tab-delimited text file. To do that, you'll go to File, Save As, and choose Text Tab Delimited. This is what your text file will look like. You can skip the Excel step if you prefer not to use Excel and just make your own text file with tabs between each item instead of using columns and rows. I find it's easier to use a spreadsheet, but you can do it either way. In the end, you'll have a text file that looks like this. Now that you're ready with your file, you can go to your Blackboard Ultra course to the content area and create a test wherever you want to create your test. Select Test under Assessments. Name your test anything that you want, not literally. Then go to the plus sign under Create Your Assessment and select Upload Questions from File from the context menu. Now you can navigate to wherever you saved that tab-delimited text file, select it, and click Open. All the questions were successfully uploaded to the assessment in this case, and I'm ready to go. They're worth 1 point each by default. If you have tests in a format that's not a tab-delimited format, you may be able to use AI to help you format your questions. Use Gemini or Microsoft Copilot, because those are the two tools that UAS has an EDU subscription to, meaning that your data won't go outside our black box. If you have questions, contact Kilt.